In this video, I will show you how to download Riot Client. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official Riot Games website, which is riotgames.com. Now, to get a Riot Client, you actually need to download any of the Riot games. So if you actually scroll down from the homepage, you're going to see all the different games. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and download League of Legends. So what I'm going to do is click onto it to be taken to the game page. And the process is the same if you select another game, but you're going to see a play for free button or play now in the top right hand corner. So all you need to do is give that a click and then go ahead and sign in with your Riot account. But if you don't have one, of course, you can go ahead and create one. Once you've created your account and signed in, you're going to be taken to a page like this where you're going to see the download option. So you've got Windows or Mac. For myself, I'm on Windows. So I'm going to click on to download for Windows. And as you can see, this is going to download this onto your PC or laptop. So you just want to give it a minute or two to run through and then click to run the installation program. At this point, what it's going to do is launch a window like this. So I'm just going to come back to my desktop. And all you need to do at this point is click onto install. Now, what it's going to do is install that game. And it's also in turn going to install the Riot Games client, as you do need the Riot Games client to, of course, install and run games. So as you can see, we're now on the sign-in screen for the Riot Games client. And at this point, you can just go ahead, log in with your details. And once you've gone ahead and signed in, as you can see, we're now on the Riot client. You can see that's now been installed, as you can see. And from here, you can also use this to view your games that you've installed. And you can also, of course, install other games by Riot Games. So that's how to download Riot Client. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.